making banana muffins. These are the ingredients you need. Butter, flour, egg, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, and a little bit of salt and bananas. Preheat the oven to 350 and then start it. Mix the dry ingredients. So first you put the baking soda in, and then the baking powder, then mix it. Then we're gonna melt the butter. Then we'll mash the bananas. Mix the wet ingredients. Then you mix it up. Then you're going to fold in the dry ingredients. And stir it. Now we're going to scoop it into the muffin pans. Put it on 30 seconds. Then you hit stop. Now is my favorite part, the taste test. Delicious. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Next time on Kane's Kitchen, we'll be making Chex Mix cookies.